welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're reacting to the ballast train. I do not own Thomas and Fred's. Mattel owns everything, and let's go.
James the Red Engine is very proud to have a branch line to call his own, Kirk Ronan. He pulls passenger trains up and down the line with Emily and sometimes Percy. But when it comes to branch lines, there are always trucks. I hate these things, he would often grumble. Why have them on the branch line? Well, we have a harbour here, and it often gets quite busy here, James. You should know that by now, replied Percy cheekily. But I prefer passengers, James countered. And you're just being a pouty puffer, James, teased Percy. You can't always do the jobs you like, remember?
Can't roll my eyes like that. I wish I could, but I can't. It's not that I'm not in a good mood, I'm just tired. Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna skip this intro because I'm not getting in trouble
You want
for
me to pull
copyright
truck?
claim.
An important job? Yes, please, sir. You're to pick up a ballast train from Douglas that is needed for track work. They'll be arriving at Kilsdott Road soon. You want me to pull trucks? Yes, James. Well, why can't Percy do it? He's used to these dirty jobs. An engine like me should never pull trucks. Percy hasn't got steam up yet, replied the shedmaster bluntly. You'll have to do it, and you're a mixed traffic engine, and so you will always have to pull trucks as well as coaches regardless. Anyway, arrangements are made, so you'll have to go. James huffed, and he snorted away to Kilsdott Road Station to collect the ballast.
Poor Emily.
Ballast train,
Oh,
ballast
Emily.
train, he muttered crossly. As James arrived at the station, he waited in the siding, still seething by doing such a job.
Douglas! Donnie and Dougie!
When Douglas puffed in with the ballast train, his driver and fireman went to the station cafe to have some coffee. Morning, James, called Douglas, knowing that his crew was still in the cafe. James came up with an idea. Hello, Douglas.
No,
there's been a change of plan.
Don't be stupid,
Change of plan,
James.
replied Douglas,
Oh,
puzzled.
sorry.
By who? I was told that you were to take the ballast train. Station master came to see me earlier. He told me that I have to pull a passenger train soon, and he'll have to take my ballast train for me. Douglas was feeling more confused, but not wishing to argue, said, Well, orders are orders, I suppose.
No, Douglas!
He was uncoupled from his train and ran round
Why,
to the other side so he could run the train
Douglas?
tender first. James sniggered. Douglas was tired. The ballast trucks had been cheeky and troublesome on his journey, and he was hoping for a good, quiet rest away from the noisy trucks. But with James and his change of plan, he had to take it all the way to the harbour at Kirk Ronan himself. The trucks rattled and bumped like mad, and some of the load was spilling everywhere without the knowledge of Douglas and his crew. Later that morning, Algie was taking a party of tourists to see Rolf's castle for a visit. He had to go over a crossing. Just then, there was a bang. Oh no, cried Algie. Then there was a hiss, and he stopped. Why have we stopped? Asked the passengers. The driver went to inspect the road to see what caused the problem. There's ballast on the line. That's what popped the tires. Ballast? Replied the passengers. I best call for help, said the driver. But before he could get his phone out... Everyone get clear! He shouted. James is coming! Everyone cleared the line, but not Algie. James saw Algie up ahead and he cried, "Brake, driver! Brake, brake, brake!" His brakes were applied as his wheels grind the track. James shut his eyes and waits for the crash. "Phew," remarked James, but he was very cross and he blew his whistle. "Out of my way! It's not our fault that we're stuck here. Someone had been spilling ballast all over the road. Well, it's not my fault. I wasn't pulling any ballast trucks today." "Yeah, because you made me pull your trucks," replied Douglas scornfully, who had arrived on the opposite track with the empty ballast trucks. The empty trucks overheard James and Douglas arguing. "Yeah, it's not our fault at all. We didn't spill the ballast. It was Douglas." "Oh, you scrabby roasters. I was keeping you under control, but you lot were still being cheeky and troublesome to me." "All right, everyone calm down," replied a voice. It was the fat controller who was on board James's train. "Now we can keep playing the blame game, but that's not going to help to clear up this mess. However, James, I shall speak to you once we've reached Kirk Road in." "Yes, sir," replied James sadly.
I get what?
Sure enough, Butch the tow truck came to help the stricken bus off the crossing. The ballast was cleaned off the crossing and placed on the track instead. Douglas puffed away and smirked at James, who was now worried about what the fat controller might be saying to him. "James, you should have done the job that you were assigned to do. I know you don't like trucks, but you have been doing well to keep them under your control since you took over the branch line. I am very disappointed in you, James." "Sorry, sir." "Nevertheless, more ballast trains are coming your way, and I want you to pull them for the rest of the day and the coming weeks ahead." James sighed, but he now understands that he can't always do the jobs that he likes.
True. That was a great episode, and I'll see you all in the next video. Adios, everybody. Oh, why is this not? What the heck? Did the recording just... Oh, okay, there we go.